Hiya, Brian here from JAJ Pyrex. And seeing how it's the 23rd of December, it's my birthday. So coming up to my birthday, having a look on an online auction site and ran across a really good buy. Well, I put an offer in and they accepted it and it turned out to be very good. So I thought I'd go ahead with that as a wee birthday gift to myself. So, and it's sitting right here, arrived just the other day. And I thought I'd save it and open it on my birthday, which I'm going to do now. So, without any further ado, I'm going to crack right into it. So here we are. Let's hope we have no mishaps like before. So, also got this as a birthday gift just today from my lovely wife, Marie. With some lovely Pyrex patterns. So, here we are, packing slip. Okay, paper, looks well wrapped. Now, I was excited about this because I've been looking, this is something that's been on my wants list for quite a while. And it comes originally as a whole set. Now, this is a one-off item, one year, I believe. And I think it's around 1960, 61 maybe. Now there's the lid to it, and they said it had a chip in it, and sure enough it's a fair chip. You can see that. So that's not good, but it's not the end of the world. At least it has a lid. But no, they were asking a particular price for this, but they put in sometimes people put a thing in that says make an offer. But sometimes I do, lots of times people don't accept them because I usually go lower. Try and calculate in the shipping and subtract that off. Which I did this time. And it's really funny, they accepted it. And I looked at his other items, the person who was selling it, and they didn't look to be anyone interested in antiques or Pyrex or anything like that. They were just selling stuff, maybe just to get rid of it. So it's kind of a good deal for me. And here it is here. Right. Hold on. Lose some of this. Now, he said in the description it had a few light scratches on it. This is a Cinderella mixing bowl in a one-off pattern called Gold Wild Rose. And this came out in about 1960 from JAJ Pyrex. And from my eye, it looks really good. I mean, there are some light scratches and stuff. There's one there. But really, I'm pretty happy with that. I don't mind a little bit of usage damage. So we have this. And this came as a set, and you'll see why. I thought it was so cool. There's the lid. Needs cleaned. A little bit dirty. Proper lid with the knob handle. Which most the Cinderella mixing bowls never really came with lids. Unless, like several of them did, like the hunt scene. Do I have a hunt scene one here? No. Is this in here? There it is there. The hunt scene one, like that, came in this same set as well. Which I talked about before in a different video. And it came with the warming stand. Like this. This is what I love. I love my warming stands and table protectors. So I think that's everything to make up the set of Gold Wild Rose. Now I'll take a little bit of light steel wool and clean that up a little bit. And that sits in there. And there you are from about 1960. Gold Wild Rose with the warming stand. Thanks a lot and Merry Christmas.